Hello everyone! I'm in the middle of a repair, and as often is needed when you are repairing a clock, is that at one point you need to break the chains to get the movement out. So I'm going to show you the best way to do it. So you will need two pliers. I'm using needle nose plier and like a normal smaller universal pliers. Um, This will work for this kind of change. If a really small change, you might need two needle nose pliers. But, so if there is a stopper, like this, I don't take the chain of stoppers that should be the hard, also not the next one, but that one should be doable. So let's take that one. So you take one end here. Let's make sure that's in focus. And then you take the other hand like this, and you just twist them open like that, maybe a bit further. And now you can see, just bend them open like this, and now you can easily take it out. You keep the piece you bended open, you put somewhere else safe so you don't lose it. And yeah, to put it back together, you just push those two pieces back to where they belong, just with needle nose plier like this, and you're good to go. There is one thing I'm going to mention, and that is, if you do this often, you might wanna like not always take the same one. So if you mount the clock back together, and for one reason you need to disassemble it again, and you need to make the chains again, pick the next one, because if you're going to have to do this a lot, the chain piece will break here. That's the only thing. But for the rest, yeah, this is the best way. If you try to pull it open the other way, it's not going to go that well. And like this, you just push this back together, and you won't even notice. So yeah, that's how one breaks a clock chain. I hope it was interesting. Might be needed at some point. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.